Hi, in this video I am showing you how to add a Google Cloud project in your Google App Script project. Okay, so first of all, just open this console.cloud.google.com. Google, that means Google Cloud Console. Then make sure you select the correct apps cloud project. Suppose for this case I select this one. So then you can see project number and project id. We need project number, so click this to copy the project number in the clip. Then go to the Google App Script project. As our app script is container bounded from Google Sheet, so we go to extension, then app script. It will open this new window for the project. Now go to this project settings button, and you can see for your case you can see this as default project without a project number. But if you as you want to change the project number, we click here and then enter the project number here, click set project. Once it configured, it actually added. That's it, your project is now running. So you make sure you select the right project, because your project number and the API key should be from the same project. Okay, so as you already get the API key for place API or whatever API you want, you need to ensure that specific project is linked with this app script. Okay, so for now that's it. You are good to go. You can use the project right. Okay, thank you very much.